Oh, sorry. Oh, are we on? We're on. Okay. Now this, this is where a whole town was wiped out. This is Calipana. Well, it was somewhere up there. Anyways, here we're driving up to the volcano. You can see the smoke here. Wow, it's really close here. This is all pretty new stuff here. Well, what year was it? 1990, I guess. Oh, there's a house out there. I don't know if I want to live out there.
People still live here, but without
People
water and
still
power.
live here, yeah. People still live here without water and power. Yeah.
Here's the highway again.
Oh, here's the highway again. So the part that we just drove across was wiped out by the eruption in 1990. So now this is the old highway. You can see the grass growing in the middle. That's how much this one's used. Okay, we're getting closer. Yeah, there it is right there. Oh yeah. Wow. That. Okay, now we're going over the lava again. This used to be the highway. It's under, oh, here's the highway up here again. Over here. Yeah, holy smokes. Kinda yucky living out here. Huh? There's nothing out here anymore. Oh, I think you can see this. Okay, now we're back on the lava road. Oh, now if you look up the hill there, you see lots of steam vents from oh, look at
If you
this.
come on this side, you can see like some houses are still left.
See the houses that are still left. Wow. It's pretty devastated here. Look at that. Jeez. Still some, see that house out there? It didn't get touched. You see all the steam vents there. You see where that big lava flow came down up there. There. Yeah. Wow. Look at this stuff. Okay, back to the what do you call it? The volcano. Oh, look at these poor guys out there. Jeez.
Hey, for sale.
Oh, there. For sale, yeah.
Cheap.
Zi6, yeah, real cheap. Right next to the volcano.
It's private though.
It's very private, yes. Look at this shiny. I think this is called, what? Oh, I forget the kind of lava it is now. Okay, we're getting closer to the, where it's coming out into the ocean. See it up there. Shmammy, you'll get to see this tomorrow. Yeah. I remember always thinking, there's no way I'd get this close to a volcano. You? That?
Are you talking to the fine folks or?
I'm talking to the fine folks and you.
No.
I'd never get this close to a... Okay, we're back on the highway again. Okay, the highway used to be back there. Okay, here's the viewing area, so we're gonna sign off and then we're gonna do a little walkabout.